One of the questions I got asked is if you track through notifications the people that are in your Find My on your iPhone. If I track Rebecca and want to get notified when she leaves or departs a location, will she be notified that I'm doing that? So let me show you. I'm going to click on Rebecca. I'm going to come down here to notifications. I'm going to hit add. Now, when I add notify me, then when Rebecca leaves her current location and I hit the checkbox, look what it says. Rebecca will be notified that you created this notification. So the bottom line is if you want to secretively track the movements of the people that you have in your Find My, if you want to track them, know this. You can't do it quietly. I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping people overcome the risks and fears of using technology. And I hope this is useful for you.